intro.
Yeah, usually I say the intro, but today I don't want to. I don't know, I just don't feel like it today. Do you even know what I say? Exactly. I hate you.
Showing off.
What?
But if I'm showing off, I'll do thingy.
What?
Well, I am show hopping.
You can't show hop. It's a glitch.
No, it's not.
Then what is it? If it's not a glitch, then what is it?
It's just it's a game mechanic. What else is it? It's in every single fighting game.
What, show hop? Not
Yes.
into the Smash Bros. Door.
Yeah, it is.
No, it isn't.
How is it not involved?
The L cancel, the short hop, and the wave dash are not involved.
How do I make a channel?
You've already got one.
I haven't.
Yeah, in the Steam card.
I don't know how to go on it or look at my channel or anything.
You need to make video. Like basically, get
I
your
don't know how to upload or anything.
iPhone, or is that an iPhone?
Yeah.
You get your iPhone, go into camera, go into record something, and then wait, go into camera first.
No, look, I don't know how to go on my channel first.
You're
Yeah, I'm
already on.
logged in.
Yeah, you're on your channel. That's your channel.
So how do I look at my videos and all that?
You need to record some first.
I just want to look at it first.
Oh, freaking Joker.
I don't know. I think you have to record one first, then you can look at it.
Let me see yours after this.
Fine after this.
I almost had him 1-0.
Me.
Except for when he
You get
destroyed you.
smashed by
Roy.
Moth.
Roy.
No, he's Roy. He belongs to Roy, by the way, people.
I'm Jorge.
Yes,
You're
he's
Roy.
okay.
Jorge is the practice mode thingy.
No.
You idiot, this is the level 9 Roy. Me not. Me to the grey. Everyone, look at me.
Meet the grey. Look at him. Look at him.
Wait. After this.
It's the Pokémaster's brother.
No, just keep it.
Upgraded level. Yogi Master.
Yogi. Yogi. Why did you say Yogi? Why is it Yogi Bear and I'm Boo Boo?